Leaving home to attend a college or university often leads to big changes for a student. One of them can be leaving behind a pet cat, dog, or other beloved animal. Kimberly Brubaker says she feels emotionally connected to her two pets, a cat named Dino and a snake named Mars. So when Brubaker left home to attend Eckerd College in St. Petersburg, Florida, she brought her pets with her, and college officials gave her permission to live with them in a school-owned dormitory. In the United States, Eckerd is not the only pet-friendly school with respect to accepting pets in student housing, but it may have been one of the first to do so. Since the early 1970s, the college has accepted many kinds of animals. Brubaker heads a student organization that registers on-campus pets. It makes sure the animals are well taken care of and that students follow Eckerd's pet-friendly policies, and it tries to solve any disputes. Not only are the pets staying on Eckerd's college campus mostly problem-free, they may actually be helpful to their owners and other people. Miranda Goodman Wilson, an assistant professor of psychology at Eckerd, recently helped write a study on the effect pets have on students. Goodman Wilson noted students reported their pets were a good influence on their educational performance. The results of her study were mixed when it came to measuring exactly how helpful pets were for the students' mental health. She found that pet-owning students did not have overall lower levels of stress, depression, and anxiety or nervousness, but there was an effect when it came to somatic anxiety, the physical effects of stress, such as a sudden increase in heart rate. Among the pet owners, increased levels of stress did not result in increased somatic anxiety. Goodman Wilson believes that there can be good reasons for bringing your pet to school. The activities of college students can often change from one day to the next, and there are lots of people around them to look in on the pet. If you are looking for a pet-friendly college or university, know that each school has different rules. There are more schools that accept animals kept in small containers than ones that permit dogs or cats. And where dogs are permitted, school officials may set limits on a dog's breed or size. Some colleges and universities limit pets to students who have been at the school for more than a year. Even Eckerd only accepts pets that lived with students before they started taking classes. Goodman Wilson expects the number of pet-friendly schools to grow, partly because of the increase in emotional support animals in the United States. Their owners are required to carry a doctor's note stating that the person needs the animal to help them deal with a mental health condition. Once policies are in place for emotional support animals in student housing, this can open the door for more pet-friendly school grounds in general. In a few weeks, Elizabethtown College in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, will open its first pet-friendly housing. The college's new policy grew out of increasing numbers of assistance animals and because of requests to raise service dogs. Alison Bridgman, an administrator with Elizabethtown College, says that on-campus animals are now seen to have more general value. But it also seems clear that there will be more pet-friendly college campuses if students